Hello, my name is Max Fisher, and this is my snowy owl research project.
You are so big, Calix. Oh my goodness.
Snowy owls have white feathers. Males are whiter than females. As males get older, they get whiter. Females never get fully white, remaining brownish with darker markings. Snowy owls are born with soft white down their hatch. When the babies get their first feathers, their feathers are brown. Snowy owls mainly live in the Arctic in an open treeless area called tundra. The tundra is noted for frosty landscapes, and it is the coldest of the biomes. It's a small amount of rainfall or snow makes it like a freezing desert. Mosses, sedges, which are like small bushes, and lichens are common, while any tree that do manage to grow stay close to the ground, so they are insulated by the snow when it is cold. Snowy owls like to eat small rodents like lemmings and mice, rabbits, bird, and fish. Often their prey is hiding underneath snow or a thick layer of plants like long grasses. So snowy owls use their excellent eyesight and hearing to locate and capture their prey. A snowy owl's feathers are made to camouflage well with their environment. Their feathers are silent as they fly through the air, which helps them to sneak up on prey. Their feet are covered with fluffy feathers like fuzzy slippers. My name is Max Fisher. I'm in second grade, and I like snowy owl.